YouTube? You already know it's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm back with another one, back with another one. Yeah, and I'm back with another lit makeup tutorial. Today, everyone, I will be doing a back to school makeup tutorial for the people down south. So this is going to be a purple look. Just something that's appropriate to wear when you're going back to school. This will be a full face, but it won't be too much. So before this video starts, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. Before this video starts, I want to talk about one of the products I recently got. I'm only going to take about 20 seconds every time. This is called Magic Gold Collection. I got 2 of them. And these work really good. If anybody find this at your local beauty supply, you guys should get it. It works really good. It's not hard to apply, and I'm going to do a makeup. I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial using this. So let's get right on into the video. Okay, it is hot, everyone. Okay, so first I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to start with my eyes, and this is going to be a purple look. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my eye primer. Okay, and today I'm going to be going in with my long-lasting eyeshadow base, and this is eye primer by Santee. That's what I'm going to be going in with today. And I'm going to go ahead and do one on camera with you guys and one off camera. Now, I really don't know what look I'm going to be going for today, but I know it's not going to be too much. I'm just going for something purple and simple, something nice for a going back to school look. So, because that's what we're doing this for the back to school. So, just something appropriate. Okay, so for my base, I'm going to go ahead and go with this AOA Wonder Highlight. And that's because this is how I want my base to be nice and sparkly. Just really cute. And I also want it to blend in with me. So and as you guys see, it's a really homey tone, so it won't be too much in school where you're going to school with this look. It's going to be really cute for school. A lot of people are going to be like, oh my gosh, girl, what did you do? You just popped it out, and going good with the eyebrow. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this Starty palette. And I'm going to take that purple that's damn near gone. Oops, sorry. Almost gone. I'm going to apply it right. Not all the way, as you guys see where I'm applying it. I'm just kind of applying it not too much on top of the brown, but right there in the lid. And I'm doing a really nice circular motion with it. Now you got, can you guys see that? Okay, so there it is. You guys really can't see it when I close my lid, but that's okay because that's how I want it, because I'm not done with the color. So next I'm going to go in with this Santee Eye and Cheek palette, and I'm going to go in with that dark purple up there. And I am going to basically do the same thing. I want to, hold on. Okay, so now I'm going to take that purple. My son is over here trying to say purple. Yeah, boy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl True Naked Jewels palette. And I'm going to take the purple in that palette. And I'm also going to apply it at the bottom. I'm going to go back with that first palette. And I'm going to apply that purple back where I applied it the first time. So that is the end result of the first eye. It's just nice, and you can see the purple, but you can't. It's just a back to school simple look, nothing too much. So I am done with my eyes. Let's get on to the fun part. Okay, so I primed off camera, everyone, and now I'm going to apply my foundation, but today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to start with my Warm Honey. And I've always seen this, and this is like my first time trying it. But basically all your lighter areas, you just do a light, and your dark areas, you do them dark. So since I don't plan on putting on any concealer, I think this might work better for me. Hopefully, cross hands that this works out really good, okay? Can y'all see the chocolate? You know, guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I had got the lava, right? And the lava was like too dark for my skin, but you guys know it's the summertime and I'm getting blacker, so the lava fits right on in with my skin now. It's just so crazy. So I'm just trying to, I just want to see how it'll work out. Will it come out right or what? But I've seen this so many times and I want to try it. So since I want to do it today, I guess I'll try to do it today since I got time. Okay, so now we're going to see blending time. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Treating any else on for yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. I didn't. I'm gonna start doing this. Wow. And you guys wanna know what? I don't know why. I didn't think this was gonna come out right, but wow, look at that. Wow. Oh. I'm so in love with this, you guys. I really did not think this was gonna work out. I'm like, okay, I'm about to make myself look like a fool. This is gonna be another fail, knowing that my channel cannot afford fails, any more fails. But this, oh my gosh, it actually, I'm so surprised, you guys, because it actually came out. It really came out nice. I'm really surprised. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys, I don't know if you guys see this flawlessness that's going on right now, but straight flawless is going on right now. Okay then, okay, if y'all going back to school, y'all gonna be happy looking at this one now. What? Wow. And you want to know what, guys? When it actually, it looks like me still. It blended right in. You guys could barely tell that I really did something. Wow. So next we're going to go in with our contour. And I think I'm going to use this color for my dark and this color for my light. Would've gave you anything. Could've gave you everything. Oh. And this is like the same color as my face, so it really brings straight live to my face. Wow, I'm loving this. I did not think this was going to turn out that well, you guys, as I thought. I really didn't think it was going to turn out as good as it turned out. Like, I really didn't, you guys. But it really turned out good. Like, I'm so surprised, you guys, because I really didn't think it was going to turn out. Now I'm going to do my lighter. You never tell me lies. Could be between your legs. Okay, so now we got that all done with. Wow, I really like this. I did not think that was going to turn out like that, you guys. Now I'm going to go in with blush. And I'm going to get my blush. And as you guys see, my products are all clean. As you guys see, I had washed them yesterday. I think I'm going to go in with this color first, just because this one like is really, but we don't want to do it too much where they like, okay, honey, you got blush on in school. So we just go take a few dabs. Wow, I am so surprised in this. I cannot believe it. Yeah, you see a difference. I really, oh my gosh, I've been slaying lately, y'all. I actually have. I thought I lost the touch, but I didn't. I've been slaying lately. Okay, ooh, okay, you see that? Now we gotta. Okay. I've been slaying lately, though. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been straight slaying, like. I have. Now, last but certainly not least, highlight. And I'm going to go in with that same highlight I used for my eyes earlier. I'm going to take my highlight brush. Put it all over that. Normally with the highlights, I just put it all over the brush. Hopefully I do this right. Y'all see it? I do not be knowing if I'm doing it right. Oh, I see it. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm doing it right. Okay. You guys know I never really use this one, so if you guys are a true fan of me, you guys know I never really use this to apply highlight. Tell me, what do I normally use to apply my highlight? Because I know my true fans know. Wow, do y'all see that highlight? I love it. Okay, highlight maybe get a little carried away because highlight is so fun, everybody. Don't you guys? Highlight is so fun. Oh my God, I'm forgetting one thing. My lips. And when you're going back to school, if you do decide to do a lip color with your eyes, I'm going to show you how to tone it down. First, we're going to go in with the Gold Magic lip and eyeliner. And I'm just going to outline my lips. That's perfect. And if you want a little kick, a little sparkle to it, we're going to take the Glacier from AOA Studio. You guys know my... I love this. It's so cute. This is like one of my favorites. And I've only... Do y'all not see that? Do y'all see that or no? Oh yeah, y'all see that glow now. I know y'all see that glow now. Y'all can't deny that. I know y'all see that glow. Okay then. This is the end result. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. Back to school makeup tutorial. I was just taking some thumbnails, everyone. Thank you all for the support, and subscribe, everyone, comment. This is the back to school look, and you guys, in the mirror I'm looking flawless. You guys, it's the perfect back to school look. Thank you all.